Okay, so we just took a look at adding and subtracting on the number line and two signs side by side. And with the rule two sides side by side, we learned our rule same plus and different minus, and now we're going to see where we can use those rules again. So let's take a look at something nice and simple. 3 times 3. I'm just going to put a positive sign in front of both of them just to get the rules. So 3 times 3. Well, we have two of the same signs. So we're going to use the rule same plus. Watch me get lazy with the rules. Same plus. So that's multiplying or dividing two of the same signs. We use the rule same plus. So we have the same signs, so the answer is going to be positive. Notice I didn't even look at the numbers. I just thought about the signs first. We're always going to think about the signs first. We're going to think about the signs, then the numbers, and in the future the letters. Signs, numbers, letters. So right now, signs, done with the sign calculation. I wrote positive. I didn't just think positive and didn't write anything. Positive. Now, 3 times 3 is 9. That was easy. Circle your answer. Check it on the calculator. Positive 3 times positive 3 equals 9. Check mark. Check your answer always. Not sometimes, not when your teacher asks you, well, not when you want to or don't want to. Always. If you can't find your calculator, ask a friend or type into the computer or learn any of the infinite number of ways to check your answer without saying the teacher didn't give me the answer. Okay, continuing. Minus 9 over minus 3. Well, we have two of the same sign, so we're going to use the rule same plus. Same plus. Two of the same signs, same plus. Multiplying and dividing, two of the same signs, same plus. So we have two of the same signs, so I'm going to write positive. Notice I haven't looked at the numbers yet. Signs, numbers, letters. So signs. Got rid of the signs. 9 divided by 3 now is 3. Type in your calculator. Negative 9 divided by negative 3 equals positive 3. Check mark. Again, the rule same plus. One more time, at the bottom of the last page, the last video, the last set of notes, I wrote negative 2 minus 2 is equal to negative 4, not 4. Big rectangle around that one. So don't confuse the rules. Don't make up rules. Don't go, somebody told me the rule same plus, so anytime I have two of the same signs, I can do same plus. We have to apply these rules properly. Adding and subtracting on the number line, we have two signs side by side, we can use the rule same plus, different minus. And we're multiplying and dividing, we can use the rule same plus, different minus. Okay, so continuing with the notes, positive 3 times negative 3 equals. So, well, look at these signs. I have a positive and a negative. So I have different signs, so I can use the rule different minus. So my answer is negative. Notice I haven't taken a look at the numbers yet. I look at the signs first. I have a positive and a negative sign. I'm multiplying or dividing. So the answer is negative. Now, 3 times 3 is 9. Circle your answer. Check it on the calculator. And something, again, very similar. Negative 9 over divided by. Over means divided by. Over is for high school students. Divided by is for elementary school students. So we have positive 3 on the bottom. If I ever get confused and I don't see a negative, I'm going to put a positive in front, and I can look at the two signs. And I can use the rule different minus, the same one I just wrote a second ago, equals. I have a positive and a negative. Can use the rule two signs, multiplying or dividing. Two different signs, the answer is negative. Notice I put it on the top of the fraction. I put it randomly in the middle of the line. Use graph paper all the time. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Circle my answer on the calculator. Negative 9 divided by positive 3 equals negative 3. Check mark. Check your answer all the time. So in summary, a positive times a positive, I'm kidding. I'm not doing the summary. I could do 8 or 16 different examples. I don't even know how many there are. But we're just going to use rules same plus and different minus. We have two signs side by side, and we're multiplying and dividing, not forgetting to add and subtract on the number line.